This morning I was ready to run, and I was really ready. Alarm ready, shoes by the floor, mind focused, and I was prepared. But when I stepped outside, it was raining. Actually, it was 2 days already raining, and sometimes something inside me felt disappointed. Not because of the rain, but because had already decided today how the day should go. No, and again, this is run, pray, repeat, where every mile has a message. There's something comforting about routine. Actually, every one of us loves routine. Balik-balik, you wake up, you lace up, you run, you repeat, and it feels productive. It feels controlled. But rain reminds you of something humbling. You are disciplined, but you are not in control. Proverbs 19:21 says, "Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails." Sometimes God doesn't change your direction. He changes your pace. Now, running builds momentum. Every runner loves momentum. And if we connect it in ministry, in growth, in YouTube views, no, and in life as well. But rain sometimes forces stillness. And stillness reveals what momentum hides. And when you can't move forward, what happens inside you? Do you get anxious? Do you get worried? Restless baka, no? Frustrated on things? Because rain exposes attachment. Not attachment to running, but attachment to control. Now, in scripture, if you look at the Bible, rain often means blessing. But rain also means waiting. For farmers don't rush the rain. They depend on it. James 5:7 talks about the farmer waiting patiently for the rain. Waiting is uncomfortable for the most of us, but waiting deepens trust. This morning I realized sometimes God sends rain not to stop you, but to slow you enough to remember you depend on Him. We think growth only happens when we move, but roots grow in hidden soil, and rain doesn't grow the leaves first. It grows the roots. Maybe today wasn't about miles, maybe it was about maturity. Maybe God wasn't testing my discipline, but because maybe He was shaping my surrender. Now, if your plans were interrupted, if sometimes what you prepared for didn't happen, if the season feels delayed, maybe it's not punishment. Maybe it's protection. Maybe it's preparation. Maybe it's God saying, rest, I'm still working. I didn't run today, but I learned something deeper than endurance. I learned surrender. And surrender builds stronger soul than speed ever could. This is Run, Pray, Repeat, where every mile has a message. And sometimes the message comes in the rain. This is Pastor Francis. If you want more motivational videos like this one, you could subscribe, you could follow for more. Good morning. God bless you today.